What is this?
Ooh, so this is something really cool. These are green bean seeds that I collected from my own plants last year.
Okay, I can see the form of a green bean.
Yeah, pull them out.
Let's see here. Okay. It's not green anymore, but I can see it being a green bean. There's a little bean inside.
Break it open. So see, there's a beautiful bean seed. So that's why a lot of these ones are kind of like really lumpy. They're not like the smooth little green beans you could buy at the store. They're kind of lumpy, and then all those lumps are the nice plump seeds that will grow into a new plant.
Wow, you have a lot of seeds in here.
Yeah, well, I had a lot of plants, and so I wanted to collect a lot of seeds so I would have them for years to come. So now that we have this seed, how about we go to over on this side where I have some soil and other plants. So now planting, you might think, oh, that's a little bit daunting. It's a little bit scary, but it's not really that bad.
All right, you're gonna teach me?
Yes,
Okay.
I will.
All right.
So first off, I have some soil here. Now look at that soil. What do you see in it?
I see some leaves. It looks like some eggshells, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Some sticks. It just looks like it's just been in the earth, just collecting everything that comes up from the earth and the dirt.
Exactly. So if you just have some soil in your yard, you can dig it up and you can make it be better soil by adding things to it. Like I added leaves and I added eggshells and even coffee grounds. I added all these kind of leftover things that were already small because you can break up the eggshells, coffee grounds are small, you can crunch up the leaves, and it makes the soil really healthy. And speaking of eggshells, I save my egg cartons. And so this is where I have a little project for you. Could you cut off these 3 egg cartons?
Sure. Should I cut them in half again, or is this good to go?
We can leave it together, that way it's easy to work with.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant the seed in here. And that way, when it's growing, its roots are already just in paper. And that way, when we want to plant it in the ground, you just poke a hole in the bottom so the roots can escape, and you can put the whole little egg carton right in the ground. That'll capture all the soil so it doesn't fall out.
Perfect.
Now we're just gonna put some of this soil in it. Now, I don't mind getting my hands dirty, but if you want, you can put on some gloves and let's put some soil in here.
Let's get dirty. Why not? So how much do I need to put in? Do I put in just enough to like cover the bottom? Do I want to fill it up all the way?
Let's put in just a little bit more.
Okay. So like a little bit more than halfway, but not to the top?
Yep, and
Okay.
now we can stick the seed in.
All right, do I just push
So
it in
just
anywhere?
stick it in the middle.
Do I push it all the way down?
There you go, that's pretty good. And then put a little bit more dirt on top. And there we go. That's as easy as it is. You planted your first seed.
Okay, so my beans are covered. I'm gonna put in a little bit more soil. Top it off. And there we go.
Perfect.
Starting my own little garden.
I know, it's really fun. So I hope you guys have lots of fun experimenting with this on your own, whether it's doing cuttings and growing roots and propagating, just seeing what's already growing in your garden and taking care of it, like these ones that came up from last year, or maybe you're planting some new seeds. Whatever it is, I hope you guys have a lot of fun as you experiment and grow. Until next time, guys, see ya.
Bye.